Hello guys, merienda tayo. Bumili ako ng toasted. Yun. Sa totoo lang, akala ko maraming sugar. Pero parang sugar free siya. Pero okay lang naman. Pwede pagtiyagaan. I thought that we can cheat her, yeah. I thought that, we're free, yeah. And then make her noise, yeah. Alam mo tong tenga ko kung bakit ko nilalagyan ng earphones yan? Para hindi siya nakamonitor. Hindi sila monitor sa buhay ko. Hindi sila updated. Bakit? It's a shit, yeah. Don't allow to update to your life because every time that your happiness is overload, they are dying, yeah. They are dying. They are just focusing how to kill you in stress. Wow, Denmark. You help me to make more stress, yeah. Not to be better, yeah. Thank you for iyot brain you have, yeah. Honest is, your apaking iyot is real, yeah. And then now, you're trying to make noise to my ears using my pension, yeah. Until now, Denmark, it's not come yet. 17 days, days that, my pension is come, but it's not coming yet. Yeah, maybe it's dead na. Maybe it's poisoning. Maybe my pension been shoot. Yeah, in shooter head. Yeah, do you get what I mean? How you shoot my head? It's like that. It's like your plan to hit and run. Yeah, how nice, very nice. You know what, guys? Honest is, you need to be nice if they are making idiot. Yeah, they deserve that you're gonna be nice to them. But to be nice with me, oh, they died. Yeah, they died before it's happened. Sa totoo lang guys, ay yan yung mga taong walang magawa sa mundo. Hindi makontento ang buhay nila hanggat hindi ka nabubuisit at hindi ka nauubusan ng pasensya. Yeah. At alam mo guys, kanina, alam nila na nag-i-enjoy ako. Gagawa yan sila ng gulo. Bakit? Nag-i-enjoy si Rogelia sa Pilipinas. I love Philippines. Yes, where I belong, Denmark. Denmark, if I'm not belong to your country, just give me a peace of mind. Peace of mind. Don't shout to my ears because of camera. And give me rest. Yes, every evening. We're gonna be fine. Wala akong pakialam sa shouting pension nyo. You need to pay my pension. Wake up! Boo, 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 boo. Pay. Tang ina, ilang buwan mula nung nag-pay out ako in the beginning is October. What month is now? My God! October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 8 months ago, Denmark. Don't tell me that you closed the case. Very funny. I will ask Sir Rapitol po, yeah. Why? Because you give me a lot of problems, Denmark. And this evidence in my ears, I want scanning to prove, yeah. I'm crazy, right? I cannot find the camera. Honest is, I find out now. I find out late, yeah, that they abused me in how many years that I didn't tell what happenings in my life because I don't have evidence. But Denmark, you leave a camera in my ears that it's gonna be evidence how I kick you. Yeah. You make me put ball in your own country, I will kick you here in Philippines too. Denmark, are you scared? You said that I have a case because I make announcement and trouble to my own YouTube channel. Wow, really? How nice. Nung ini-embarrass nyo ako in public, do you remember how hard to me? Lahat ng mga atraso nyo sa akin, naaalala nyo ba? Itong mukha na to? Kung paano nyo pinagpaplanuhan gawing bulag. Denmark, umalis ako ng Pilipinas, matino ang utak ko. Wala akong kapansanan. Kaya ako nakarating ng Europe. Pero yung mga ginagawa nyo, kung paano nyo ako ipapatay sa country nyo, nyo Denmark, hindi na ako takot. na haharapin si kamatayan ng Prime Minister nyo. Ang kapal na mukha nyo, kaya gagawa kayo ng gulo sa isang tao, tapos kapag gusto nyong pagtakpan, papatayin nyo na lang. Bakit? Dahil nabulalas ang sikreto nyo, mga kriminal. Ang kapal-kapal na mukha nyong mga kriminal. Akala nyo kung sino kayo malilinis. Sumigaw-sigaw sa tenga ko. Gusto nyo magpag-usapan yung pensyon? Mag-apply kayo ng senior citizen para magkaroon kayo ng pensyon. Bakit? Mga tamad-tamad kasi kayo. Wala kayong ginawa kundi magbantay ng talambuhay ko. Wala naman kayong sweldo, bantay kuda kayo. Ngek-ngek nyo nga pala. Etot nyong mabaho.